Introducing the TOMOLOO Hoverboard with speaker and colorful LED lights self-balancing scooter, the ultimate ride for fun and excitement. With a 1-year warranty from the date of purchase, you can ride with confidence knowing that we've got you covered. If you encounter any issues, simply contact us directly, and we'll take care of it. Rest assured, our hoverboard is UL 2272 certified, ensuring verified quality and safety. Additionally, our battery is certified under MSDS/UN 38.3 and UL 2271 standards, providing peace of mind while you ride. Featuring self-balancing technology, our hoverboard is the first mechanical self-balancing electric device on the market. It's safe for beginners and amateurs, making it perfect for riders of all skill levels. Experience the thrill of riding on unique tires with updated 6.5-inch wheels. These tires boast 4 different lights that can switch randomly, adding a dynamic flair to your ride. Illuminate your ride with colorful lights. Our hoverboard comes equipped with 5 different RGB LED lights that switch back and forth according to the music played via the built-in wireless Bluetooth speaker. It's a party on wheels. Enjoy ensured stability with the most advanced mainboard program, high-quality rubber tires, and comfortable foot pedals. Glide smoothly and confidently with every ride. Looking for the perfect gift? Look no further. Our hoverboard brings children joy and freedom like never before. It's an excellent gift for kids of all ages, sure to put a smile on their faces. As a special bonus, get a free hoverboard bag. Simply contact the seller when you receive your hoverboard to claim your free bag. Experience the excitement of the TOMOLOO Hoverboard with speaker and colorful LED lights self-balancing scooter. Get yours today and ride into adventure.